I'm Tony Sklar for BNetTV.com here at the CTIA in Las Vegas. I am speaking with Novarra's Randy Caviani. How are you today, sir?
I'm well, thank you.
Did I get that? I did that nice and smoothly, right?
Perfect. I love it. Yep.
So, Vice President Marketing and Business Development for Novarra.
Right.
Great company. We've had a chance to speak with you and your company in the past in many areas. You are not new to this particular market, but you are one of the leaders in the industry. But for our first-time viewers, why don't you give us a little bit of overview of Novarra?
Sure. Internet mobility is the best thing I can tell you about Novarra. What we do is anything that allows people to transfer their habits from the desktop to the mobile, particularly when it has to do with accessing their favorite sites, doing social networking, email, search, you name it. We make that very simple and easy for users to do on mobile.
So, again, I have had the chance to speak here a number of times in the past, but one of the wonderful things about this translation of moving from the desktop experience into the mobile, some of those hurdles in the ecosystem that have lessened that user experience, and why we kind of get a little bit frustrated on our devices because we're not getting that same experience, and Novarra really helps with that.
Exactly. Fragmentation is one of the things that we see. An example is our Yahoo service. We transform web pages, based on Yahoo OneSearch results. And so we see 50,000 or so different unique combinations of browsers and phones that access the service each and every month. So when you think about that problem that either an operator has to solve or a content provider has to solve, with Novarra's Vision server in the middle, it makes that translation, that transformation much easier.
So how does Novarra get into the backbone of the carriers to make sure that the seamless transition is happening for the user?
It's really quite easy. We can either host our Vision server on behalf of the operator, or the operator can install it in their infrastructure. Quite straightforward. And then optionally they can use our browser, which we're announcing our new version of at the show here, on the device to provide an even more optimal experience.
And Randy, my last question for you is going to be, where do you see Novarra helping the ecosystem going into 2010?
Additional enhancements to the platforms that either operators and or internet brands can use to monetize more of the internet. Whether it's rich content, making streaming video available, widgets is a category for us. We have tools that content providers can now easily make snippets of their websites available across the board to users, all helping to provide a boost to that whole ecosystem, enabling the whole value chain to monetize that internet and provide a great experience.
Randy Caviani from Novarra, I appreciate you taking the opportunity to speak with here at CTIA.
Thanks,
and I am Tony Sklar for BNetTV.com.